I was an engine driver. So William Sherwin, 64, was an engine driver. Am I correct? That is really cool, guys. Hi everyone, and welcome as you join us today to do the Peter Fidler Adventure Lab, and then we head to the Markham Remembered Adventure Lab. So enjoy everyone, and please remember to give the video a like and subscribe if you're new here. Enjoy. An old army truck over there. 2 old army trucks. And a JCB as well. Cool thing to spot. I'll give you another better look without the wind. Oh, pretty cool to see. So we're doing this walk around this small country park near Bolsover, and this bridge is called the Millennium Bridge, and you can see it's got lots of M's to signify it's called the Millennium Bridge. So we'll go walk through now and have a quick look. You can see the water's a bit mucky. And I'll quickly check the bridge, the pond out. Imagine it on a nice day, it's a beautiful little walk around here. But obviously today it's not quite so nice. It's a bit gloomy and a bit cold. We have bought some birdseed, but yeah, all the birds are miles away. Oh, someone's left a flower in the ground. A memento of something. Okay, we found a lookout. So we'll check out the lookout. Lots of birdies. In this wood on this lookout, it says lookout, and then it says lapwing. I've not seen many lapwings. Well, I'm not going to see a great deal with this camera, that's for sure. Alright, on we go, guys.
I think they like owls.
Yeah. Two, isn't there? Right, everyone. So that's Bolsover Castle over there, and if you've watched our videos for a while, you would have seen a jousting tournament that we went to. So this is a monument which was made in memorial to the work of local naturalist Peter Fidler. And it tells you about him on here. This cairn is dedicated to the life and achievements of Peter Fidler, son of Bolsover Peter Fidler, born 16th August 1769 at Sutton Mill, Bolsover. He was laid to rest in Canada, shall. 53 years old. His achievements for Canada were as great as Captain Cook for England. Cool. How many children did he have with his Cree Indian wife? Alright, being a bit silly, there's another sign on the opposite side. Peter Fidler left England in 1788 to join the Hudson Bay Company. In 1812, Peter returned to Bolsover for a year, building for his mother Hudson Bay House, which was renamed the Castle Inn. He built the nucleus for Canadian trading posts and settlements, naming them after areas close to his birthplace: Bolsover House, Chesterfield House, Mansfield House and Nottingham House. He was the first white man to write of cactus in Canada, of coal in the prairies, and to report the famous Athabasca deposits. He was also a geographer, cartographer, meteorologist, entomologist, botanist, astronomer, diarist, linguist, horticulturalist, and devoted husband to his Cree Indian wife and father to 14 children. That's crazy, man. So yeah, a very clever man. And he was born here. in Bolsover. So that's it, guys. We've got a bonus to do as part of what we've done today. I'll see if we can find it. I got the bonus, which was just a piece of wood. Seen the piece of wood? Yep. So it's wet through though, so I can't sign it. No, not properly. Sign it in a fashion that we'll put it back. So that's completed that series, which was nice and easy to do. Nice walk around. If the weather was good, then it'd be a much nicer day for walking, but there'd probably be a lot more people around because we've seen quite a few people today. So yeah, so we'll move on now to see if we can do this drive-by series. It's not far away. We're over to the Environment Centre here in Duckmanton for another ad lab. Can't actually park in the car park, so I've parked over there near the roundabout. What's interesting, these images. There's a big sign about it here. And it's got names of different people and the mining history. And I'm looking for a particular person who's on here, who's William Henry Sherwin. Number 3, and number 3 is here. And it's got all these signs up. I was an engine driver, so William Sherwin, 64, was an engine driver. I got that correct. That is really cool, guys. That is really cool. Right, while we're here, we've got a geocache as well in the area. Physical one. So now we have this memorial sign here. This is where the pit used to be. Obviously it's something else now. It tells about the mining disasters where 160 men lost their lives. Okay, so as we walk up, this is more of the Markham remembered. And if you look at the... talk about the people that died, who they were in the years. William Yates, development worker. So carry on going, guys. So I'm now looking for John Arnold Bray. Okay. So now looking for John Arnold Bray. So number 21, which is the first one here. Okay, that was a bit more tricky. We got it. That was John Arnold Bray on that board. And now we're going to go to a mural. So I'll show you this mural now on this house. And the mural's got all the names of all the miners that died. How cool was that? That's really cool. So there's the final one done, which was the winding wheel. I've done that. I don't want done 13 today, so we just need one more, and then that one more will give us our 1,000 for the year. But we're going to do it on Thursday, I think. We're going to leave it now because it's getting dark. So that's it. Thank you and goodbye.